Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make a cartoon music video. And to do this, we're going to start in the Krikey AI video editor. To access this animation music video editor, you can go to krikey.ai. It's free to log in, and you'll end up at this screen where we'll get started together on making our first cartoon music video. To make a cartoon music video, you can enter the Krikey AI animation video editor, which is this, and the first step is to select your cartoon. And to do that, we'll click this big button that says select a character, and it's going to give us a menu of choices. And you can pick any of these characters. We can scroll through and take a look at all of them. You can customize your character, or if you have a brand mascot that you've already made and you'd like to bring into this tool to make a cartoon music video, you can always email the Krikey AI support team, and we're happy to help you over email and make sure that you're able to get your brand mascot into our tool. So now we can scroll through and pick a character. So let's say we want to pick the cartoon pig. And maybe, we know we want to make a music video because this is about a cartoon music video. What we see here now is two choices. We can either make a talking avatar video, which is the character talking straight to camera like a presentation or a tutorial. But what we're here to do today is make a cartoon music video. So we're going to click Make a Music Video. And now you have this box where you can type in a text prompt to generate your cartoon music video. So let's get started here. And the way this works is you start with your music genre. So that for us today is going to be opera. And then we can, and this is optional, but you can decide if you want to prompt it for male vocals or female vocals. So today I'm going to say female vocals solo. And then you say, what do you want your video to be about? So here I can say about marketing my coffee business, or let's say coffee shop beans. And now we have asked in this text prompt for a generated animated cartoon music video that is an opera song with a female vocal solo about marketing my coffee shop beans. And maybe I'll put beans in parentheses so it knows that's the name of my coffee shop. Now the next choice here that we have is animation category, and we can choose what kind of animations we want in our video, and it'll give us some blend of these choices. So we can have conversation, popular girls, presentation, and when I think of opera, I think of somebody standing and singing, so I'm wondering which choices I might want. And I suppose we also are explaining about our coffee shop, so maybe I'll go with explainer video. I can X out the other choices, and maybe I'll leave talk show. We'll see what comes out with that. I'm going to next choose the duration of my cartoon music video. In this case, I want it to be about 15 seconds. And the next option that I have to choose is if I want song lyrics or not, and I do, so I'm going to check this box, and now I'm going to click Generate My Music Video. And now my opera marketing cartoon music video has been generated. And so I'm going to hit play to see what it looks and sounds like. That was amazing. So now I've got an opera song about my coffee shop beans. And it's got some cute animations, it's got some backgrounds. And if I open up my timeline, so I'm going to click this button here, I can see that all the creative elements of my cartoon music video are broken down line by line. And because the creative elements have been isolated, I can actually control them and change them creatively to match my vision. This is unlike other AI tools where you have single click generation, meaning you type in a text prompt, click once, and that's all you get. With Krikey, you can actually generate your cartoon music video and then edit creatively the things that you want to change. And this is very unique to this tool. So now I know I can change my backgrounds, I can change my animations, I can even change my character if I want to. Camera angles, lighting, facial expressions, all of these are within my creative control. So I'm going to minimize my timeline and come over here on the left side where I see a chat bot where I can talk to this chat agent and ask it to help me edit. So the first thing I want to change is the facial expression. So I click Customize Face Expressions, and it gives me a carousel of choices here. And I'm going to choose happy because I like my character to be happy. And the next thing I'm going to do is I want to change my background, maybe. Let's see. I actually think these backgrounds look pretty good. So instead of that, why don't we change our camera angle? So to do that, I'm going to come over here and I see I've got two camera angles down here on the bottom. I have a mid shot and a mid shot. So I'm going to click on the first mid shot and I'm actually going to zoom it out so my character is standing in the coffee shop. Now I notice here my background has these black bars on the top and bottom. And I want to make my background a little bit bigger. So I'm going to click on this background now here. And I see I have slider bar menu on the right, and I can resize the image by sliding the bar to the right. So I'm going to do that till it fills up the screen. I'm going to move this up a little bit. And now I've got my background filling the screen. I've got my character a little bit smaller. And now I can go take a look at my second camera angle, which is a close-up shot. And I like this, and I think it's cute, and it looks good. So now I'm going to come back to the beginning, and I'm going to play back my video and see what it sounds like. And that was very cute. Now, I can do the same thing with animations, with backgrounds. All I have to do if I want to change any of them is click on the clip down in the timeline here. And then on the right side, I have this button that says replace. I can click that. And then I can come over to the left. In this case, I've chosen an animation, so it automatically opens the animation menu. So I can choose an animation to replace the one that is on the screen at that moment. So in this case, I'm going to leave it for now because I think this is very cute and very funny. And so let's say I am ready to download my video. So I can come up to the top right, click the download button. I can select MP4 video. I also have the option of exporting a GIF or an FBX file. In this case, all I really need is the video because I'm making a cartoon music video. I have my aspect ratio selected and I can just click download. And then my opera marketing video for my coffee shop beans is ready to go. Now you can use cartoon music videos for anything from social media to marketing to your website to your newsletter. You can use it for morning announcements at school. You can use it for your book report, for introducing a presentation at work. It's a fun icebreaker and a really cute way to bring your brand mascot or your ideas to life creatively. And it's very easy to create your first music video. You can just go to krikey.ai and get started for free. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and we're excited to see what you create.